With an automated tool, it's easy to make your GitLab data export smooth and effortless. First of all, you need to create an account with our service. Next, you see a dashboard where you need to press Start Demo Migration. After that, you need to choose GitLab as your source project management platform. Then fill in the access credentials. If you have a SaaS version of GitLab, then you just provide your API key. Fill in your URL if you have a hosted version. Then configure your GitLab connection by selecting the required projects for the data migration. The next step is to select your target platform. After that, provide the access credentials. Then configure your target connection for the data migration. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to export. You can choose separate records or all at once. Then match source platform users and target platform users. There you can also add missing users or choose a default user profile. Complete this step to initiate the demo migration. Right after you click on the box next to Issues, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of issue fields. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Now start your test import to see how your migration will look like. After the export, you will see the summary page with migrated, failed, and skipped objects and the buttons next to them which you need to press to view reports. If the data migrated correctly, you can easily find it on your target platform. Ready to export? Go to app.relocate.com and try a free demo.